Hey crafty friends, in today's video we are diving into some fun budget-friendly DIY using one of my favorite material, peel and stick. I'll be working with Dollar Tree finds and repurposing a few things that I already have at home to create beautiful stylish decor. So grab your glue guns and let's get ready to get inspired. For this first project, I'm repurposing these two pieces that I already had laying around. I'm gonna give it a quick refresh because we are going to be making a beautiful little riser. Once everything is completely dry and I used white chalk paint, then I'm going to turn it around and I'm going to be gluing both of these pieces together. And I'll be using hot glue. Dollar Tree has a great selections of stickers and transfer decal all year round, and these are the ones that I picked out for this DIY. I'm going to be peeling and sticking them right here on the border, and I'll be doing that through the entire plate.
Hey there friends, it's time to play. We're crafting with succulents today. Peel and stick from Dollar Tree.
This is how it's turning out so far. Isn't this pretty? My youngest son gave me a whole bunch of terracotta pots, and of course I have some more of these transferable stickers from Dollar Tree, and all I'm doing is placing whatever piece I want and then rubbing it with whatever surface you think is going to work out for you. And then of course you're going to know when to peel out that piece of plastic. And then I'm going to do the same thing to this section right here. I'm just going to place the transferable sticker, rub, and then peel off the plastic. Look how pretty. And now I have some white rocks from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be placing them right inside along with a beautiful succulent. Isn't this gorgeous? I also have 3 more of these stickers, and I'm gonna take this terracotta pot and I'm gonna place it right in here. Look at how gorgeous. So simple yet so beautiful. Again, I'm gonna be using the white rocks from Dollar Tree, and I have more succulent. I'm gonna be placing this one right here, and this is it for the second terracotta pot with the beautiful succulent. Now I have this candle holder. I'm gonna paint it with white chalk paint. Once it's done, I'm going to be putting some hot glue right up here and then gluing the second terracotta pot with the succulent right on top. And with the same chalk paint, I'm going to go ahead and retouch this beautiful piece. Look at how gorgeous this looks. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts.
Repurpose, reuse, make it brand new. Fun little projects you can try too. Thanks to Loli and Kate for this crafty vibe. This playlist got that DIY tribe.
Another thing that Dollar Tree carries is picture frames all year around. I went there and this is the one that I picked out. Did you know that a long time ago, about 2,000 years, people used to paint pictures on wood and sometimes added decorations around the edges? That was kind of like the first picture frame that we ever had. And then in Europe, in the mid-age, people used to make pictures for churches, and they were really fancy. They had fancy borders, but they were stuck to the building wall. It was part of the structure. But the picture frames that now we use, you know, the ones we could hang in the wall and move around, started in Italy about 600 years ago. And that was a little fun fact right there. So now all I did was take this picture frame, take it apart, and put that peel and stick right in the inside. And now I have these little, I think these are like dessert cups from Dollar Tree. They come 6 in a package. And I'll be painting it with this khaki color, and this is acrylic paint. I'm going to be painting all 6 of them. Once they are all nice and dry, then I'm going to go ahead and start gluing them just like you see, side to side. And I'm going to do that to all 6 of them. Now I'm going to go ahead and reinforce it by adding more hot glue between each of these pieces. And then once this is done, I'm going to be creating a little garland. I want to say black wood beads, but they're not wood. They are made out of plastic, and I got them from Dollar Tree. And then I was thinking about putting them right up here, but then I said, it's not going to look good. So let's go ahead and put that to the side, and let's come in and add plenty of hot glue right in here. And then we're gonna be placing them right on top of this frame that we have just created with the peel and stick. This is going to be turning out really pretty. Once this is nice and dry and it sticks to the frame, which I think I added plenty of hot glue, so I don't think that's going to go anywhere. The garland, I decided to place it right on top of this frame, adding a little bit of hot glue on the upper left and the upper right, and there it is. I added some white floral, and this beautiful ribbon, I'm going to be adding it right here. I glue it on both of the sides, and then I also have this beautiful bird-like flower. I'm also going to be adding some hot glue and placing it right in the middle. And then here is the final review. I hope you guys enjoy this one.
Say hi to Monica. She's guest hosting too. We're bringing the magic right to you. So grab your glue and let's begin.
My dear friends, I have a confession. The first part of this, I lost it. I don't know where it went. I don't know if my camera turned off. I just don't know. But the frame, I did the same thing that I did on the first one. I opened it up and I added some peel and stick paper in the inside. I closed it back up. And then this believe word, I am painting it with the same khaki color. I only gave it one coat. All I did was come back with some hot glue once everything was dry, and I went and I placed it right on top of the frame, just like you see it right now. I also have some greenery that I'm going to be placing right here on this corner. I'm going to be placing this one going down, and then the next one going horizontal. And then in the middle, I'm just going to go ahead and add some of those fake baby breath here and there, wherever I think it looks good.
Magic right to you. So grab your glue and let's begin. It's time to craft, let the fun begin.
So if you go to the dollar store, you know that they have the bigger cutting boards now. So that's the one I'm going to be using. I'm going to be giving one coat with the same khaki color that I've been using throughout the video. And then these little, I call it peel and stick. They're decorative. They have their own adhesive, and I'm going to be placing it on each corner wherever I think it looks cute. But so it won't fall, I decided to come in and add some hot glue behind it just to reinforce it. My dear friends, we are back with another DIY inspiration, and it is being hosted by Loli D's Creations, along with Kate from Lady Red Crafting. Today's guest host is Up All Night DIY with Monica. These ladies are so talented and creative. You need to go ahead and visit them. I'm going to be leaving the links directly to their channels down in my description box, along with a playlist for your convenience. Don't forget that as soon as you watch this video, hop in and get inspired by these talented creators. And in today's video, I got inspired by several pieces that I saw in Pinterest and in Facebook. My dear friends, I am hoping that you are enjoying this video. And if you do, don't forget to give me that big thumbs up. It goes a long way. And as you see in this blessed sign, I gave it 2 coats with black acrylic paint, and then I came in with plenty of hot glue, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and glue it right in the center. I like this piece. I think this is so cute. I also came in with some jingle blocks. I added 2 in the back so it could have a little stand to stand. And this is it, my dear friends. I hope that you have enjoyed this simple project. And again, if you did, don't forget that big thumbs up.
Bringing the magic right to you. So grab your glue and let's begin. It's time to craft, let the fun begin.
My dear crafters, look, this is such a simple DIY. I took this canvas, and it's the flat canvas. It doesn't have the wood in the back. And I just came in with these 4 wood beads. I already had them painted in white. I'm gluing them, making a little bitty tiny riser. You know how much I love risers. And all I did was add some peel and stick on top, and then it's time to display it. This was so simple to create.
We're crafting with succulents today. Peel and stick from Dollar Tree, and some stash supplies from you know me.
I found this pretty bird in the bottom of my stash, but I wanted to tone it down a little. I thought it was a little too silver, so I came in with some chalk paint, and all I did was kind of like distress it, and then I came in with a napkin and took most of it out, but it turned out absolutely beautiful. And then I also have this gold bird. I'm gonna be doing the same exact thing. And I purchased these birds many years ago at Dollar General. This one was $2, and the one that I just finished showing you was only $1. I purchased several of them, and I gave some to my sister and my mom. I think this is so beautiful. And I know this has nothing to do with the peel and stick or nothing like that, but I just thought that I would show you this beautiful piece only because I thought it was awesome. Let me know in the comment section, do you like the way that I painted this? With this one, I decided that I would come in with a wipey, and I wiped most of it off, but I still think it looks nice and cute. And now that the other one, the first one that we painted, is dry, I'm taking some jute twine. I created a little bow, and this is it. Now we are ready to display it wherever we decide that it's gonna look nice. Now I'm going to be creating a little bird nest, so I am filling in this little basket that I got also from Dollar Tree, and this candlestick, it was already in the bottom of my stash with a jute cord around it, and all I'm doing is putting some hot glue and sticking both of these pieces together. And I'm going to be placing one of the birds inside the nest, adding some greenery because this is looking so pretty. Look at how gorgeous. I really like this one. And then this is it, my dear friends. What do you think about this? I think this was nice and simple. Another DIY, nice and simple to create. And here's the final review, my dear friends. I hope you enjoyed this simple one.
Repurpose, reuse, make it brand new. Fun little projects you can try too.
Well, I took this mason jar. I've had this for I don't know how many years now. But again, I'm trying to craft my stash as much as possible because I have so much of it. I'm not peeling this front paper off because I don't think it's necessary. So I took this placemat, I cut the size, and now I'm going to place it right in here. I waited several hours, and then once this was nice and adhered to it, I came in with my finger knife or my finger X-Acto knife. Boy, oh boy, I almost forgot the name of it. But anyway, I'm cutting all the excess out, and once this is done, then I'm going to proceed with the second part of this, which is starting to decorate it. So this section here, which is the lid, I'm adding some hot glue. I took this out so I could be able to decorate it with no problem. And this in the front has burlap. I'm gonna go ahead and place it right exactly where it was at. This is really nice. I really like this match, this placemat and the burlap is just a perfect match. What do you think about this? And then of course I have some greenery and a little jute cord bowl that I created off camera. I'm going to be placing it right here with a little bit of hot glue, and then I'm going to be adding some floral. And guys, if you are still here, you are my hero. You have made it to the end of my video. I hope you do consider subscribing if you have not have done so. I thank you so much for leaving comments, leaving me that big thumbs up, and sharing this video. It really does mean the world to me. I hope you have enjoyed it, and don't forget that I will be having another video on the 13th of June, so stay tuned, subscribe so you won't miss it. Don't forget the playlist down below for more inspiration.
Thanks for stopping by and watching till the end. Hope you had fun. Come back again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It's free. DIY with Aurea creativity.